Hello everybody. Today we will continue our eighth chapter, how to create a chart. What is chart? Yesterday we already underlined. Chart is a graphical representation of the data. You must be underlined all this important line. Maybe due to some technical problem you are unable to see the screen yesterday's session. Now you must be underlined. Chart. What is a chart? A chart is considered as a graphical presentation of a numerical data. Underline this line is very important. Now, we also covered yesterday the topic types of chart. For comparison, for demonstration, why we are using charts for understanding situation, analysis, trend over the time. This line is very important. This is come for the filling the blanks, for investigation, deviations, and for identifying, understanding and relationship between entities. Follow the steps given below to prepare a chart in any situation. When you want to create a chart, you must be follow these steps. Make it clear what you want to say. What you want to say, you must be clear. Collect and arrange data. The data for which you want to create a chart, that data must be properly arranged with you. Remove invalid data. The data which is not necessary, you must be remove it. Determine the best chart type. Which chart you want to prepare? There are many types of chart: column chart, bar chart, pie chart, dognet chart, line chart, cylinder chart. Which chart you want to create? Prepare the chart and format the chart. Format the chart means which color you want to create. Inserting a chart. Before inserting a chart, you must be have a data like this way. Now here I am preparing a student name and percentage of that students. So we just prepare a data, and I will show you all these steps which they are given in this chapter. Up to this, now we will create a chart. Here I am creating some students name and percentage. You must be selected. There are 5 to 6 names. Go to insert menu. See. Are you able to see this chart? After clicking chart, it will automatically prepare it. See. Chart type. Which type of chart you want to create? Column chart, bar chart, pie chart, area chart, line chart. By default, it is always selected column chart. Now, next, data range. What is the data range? See, here we select that data range from A1 to B7. That's why it automatically comes with absolute cell address. What is absolute cell address? Dollar sheet 2, comma dollar A7. That means from sheet 2, computer is selecting A1, dollar A1, dollar A, dollar 1. 2, these two columns show these two, these. Dollar B, sorry, dollar 7. Now we'll click on next button. You just follow this wizard. There is already chart wizard, you must be follow it. Data series. What is your data? The data which we select. You want to update this name. You want to update this area, data series. You want to give them marks. By default, it's taken properly. Next, go click on next button. Title, what title you want to give it? Mark sheet. Subtitle. Subtitle is optional. Otherwise, my class. X-axis. What indicate X-axis? Student name. What indicate Y-axis? Percentage. You just update all these written. Display legend. By default, legend is always displayed at right side. This is a legend. If there are multiple data, there will be multiple legends. Now we are formatting this chart from our chapter left. If you select left, it will come at this side. Are you able to see this? Now we'll just put it at the right as it is. Here, display grid. If you want to display grid, it will become. Are you able to see this? See. Now finish. Now you are able to. I hope you will be clear the how to create a chart. By default, there is a column bar chart, so it is selected. Right click, chart type. You want to change chart type? I want pie chart. Okay, my chart will be converted into pie chart. See, blue color shows Raj marks. Raj 89 marks. Sky color shows Rashmi marks. It's 35 marks. So we are able to update it. So area, you want to change color, chart to. This way we will update our chart. So all these contains explain in this chapter. Hope you will be clear all these contains. An alternate way to create a chart. This is a simple how to create a chart, how to update it, how to following it, formatting chart type. You want to change the color, it will be changes light blue. See how we can change the color of chart. Chart area, go to select, simple like this way. Right click, chart type, column chart. You will click. When you select chart area, right click, formatting x-axis title, formatting x-axis, how we can change, formatting the chart wall, formatting the chart floor, how we can update that chart. Only this topic is here. You must be update all these things. They are here giving the same data use and how to insert chart. This topic is important. Linking a chart in documents. Right now it's not important for our practical exam. How to create a chart, this is important only. Now there is one another way how we can save our document. Suppose I want to save my document file, save as. Now this is my Excel file. Suppose I want to save it as a PDF. We are able to see this file in PDF format. Right now it is not available in this system, but we are able to save it with PDF format. See, PDF option. When you give your choice, save in the file the desired folder. You will also two options such as export HTML or PDF. Two options such as export the file as HTML. See, file, export as PDF. They are showing these menus only. See, all JPG, all this content we will select, export. We will select PDF, export. What is our file name? Demo 2. See, this will automatically come PDF. Save. See, this is our demo 2. Are you getting? This is saved as a way we are doing this. chart. Our file is become as a PDF file. We will close this document. Adding hyperlink is not important now. This is very important. How to? This is not required for right now. Then printing chart. How we want to print chart? Just go to file menu and print. This is word art. You know very well how we are using word art. We will go to shift menu, insert, object, or insert gallery. See what you want to insert, font color. From insert menu, sheet, special character, function, movie and sound, object. See. This is our gallery. If we want to insert any theme to our document, this theme will become. Now we just insert gallery. We don't want right now gallery. Data, tools, media player, macros, what you want to add, options. You must be familiar with it. You want to insert any picture, you will be go to clear menu, file menu, insert object, OLE object, what you want. Drawing toolbar. This is a drawing toolbar. This is a font work gallery. You want to insert any work, select it, okay. Just click here. Happy Diwali. Just click here. Are you getting? Happy Diwali, welcome. Diwali. I hope you will be get from tools menu. Format. Insert. Toolbar font work. This is font work. Font work is available on toolbox as well as here. New model. I hope you will be clear it. This is we are inserting from our gallery box, front work gallery. This is up. This is we selected from here. How to make attractive our document. Here I want to conclude this session. In this chapter we learn about various charts, their